this is just a quick unboxing video of the SRX 900 system that I recently purchased for a Ducati Panigale that I'll be installing it in. I'm going to do a two-part video. The first one today, I'm just going to do a quick unboxing, show you the contents of what I received. And in a day or so, I will be posting the part two, which will basically outline the different steps involved in the installation. Okay, so we're going to try to open this up here. Gently pry it open with a utility knife. Of course, there's a receipt. This is the Ducati Panigale specific wiring harness. This, I believe, is the parameter sensor that comes part of this kit. And this, I believe, is the actual system. A booklet kind of highlights different set of instructions. I did find this booklet available online as well in PDF format. So this is the actual brains of the system. It's quite bigger than I expected. Let's hope I'll be able to install that in the under the rear seat cowl. Put that back in there for a second. This is the RFID sensor, I believe. And these are the various cables and connectors. In my case, I went ahead and as a backup ordered the basic one-way remote. I did this with an anticipation, more like basically I did it just as a safety precaution. Same reason why you would have, a pair of keys. If you're out of town and you happen to lose the one remote, having a second remote would get you out of trouble. By the time you come home, you can order a replacement. So this is a one-way remote that you can always add to the system. And finally, I believe this is the two-way remote. There we go. It's pretty straightforward. So that's pretty much it as far as the contents of the box is concerned. And in a day or so, I will be installing the system in a Ducati, and I will be making a how-to video of that. So if anybody can find benefit from it, they can do so. All right, thank you guys.